Welcome to the QuickBooks Time mobile app. You're in the right place to learn how the QuickBooks Time mobile app helps you track and manage time on the go. Here's a quick tour and how to get started. There are many different roles someone can have within a QuickBooks Time account, including account administrator, payroll manager, or team member. The mobile app will look different depending on what role you have. We will be viewing the account as an administrator who can view and manage everything. The Overview tab shows a summary of your hours, worked by day and by weekly totals. You'll also see your recent projects, any shifts scheduled that day, and your time off balances, if you're using these features. The time clock is your standard clock in and clock out option, where you can track time against specific customer jobs and even take a break. Timesheets displays your own current and past timesheets, as well as the timesheets of others on your team. You can edit existing timesheets and create new timesheets. You can also approve them for payroll or invoicing, which is the same as using the approvals report on the web dashboard. You might see projects or the schedule next, depending on which features you're using. You can create, manage, or even clock into projects here. The More tab has all your other features, including customer and team member management. You can also see who's working to see who's on the clock. You can also do an hours by worker report and view your notifications. If you have a question and want to reach out to our support team or view our knowledge base, you can do so in Settings. Finally, tap your profile picture to view account information, sync the app, and sign out. Now that you know your way around a bit, what's next is up to you and how you choose to use it. Welcome to QuickBooks Time.